Affiliate marketing tips to help your business succeed. It may seem like it is you against the world sometimes when it comes to dealing with affiliate marketing. With the vast amount of information available online, it can be nearly overwhelming at first. This video will provide much helpful information for you to get started on the right path. If you are going to make cash through the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you know who your audience is. If your website is about trumpet mouthpieces, then you probably will not make very much profit by advertising for vacuum cleaners because your audience is not in the market for a new vacuum. Separate your task lists so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, you should make your text very easy to read. Shorter sentences of varying length are much easier for readers to digest. Bold text helps draw readers to important statements. Assuring that visitors read your copyright will ensure that it can sell them products. To make more money with your affiliate marketing business, you should provide as much information about the products you promote. People will be most interested in how the product has helped you, so write about it in a way that allows them to picture themselves using it and getting the same benefit. If you want your affiliate marketing efforts to pay off at the highest amount, you should look for ways to offer a bonus to people who buy through your affiliate link. Since others are promoting the same product or service through their links, you need to find a way to encourage them to buy through you. Use your marketing videos to entice the audience that will be interested in the products sold by your affiliate partners. You can sell cheap products in large volumes by offering low click-through options. Products that cost more require more concerted selling efforts to get sold at all. When thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing, think about starting with something you already know. This might not be the most profitable option at first, but it will make it easy for you to get started. It will allow you to feel comfortable with the topic and also allow you to give your own personal touch to it. If you work full-time, make sure that you set an hour or two at night to devote specifically towards affiliate marketing. Working while at your organization is very tough, and will reduce the quality that you put into your work. Give 100% of your attention towards the task at hand for optimal results. In summary, you want to do all that you can to learn about affiliate marketing. There is a lot of information available, but we have provided some of the most important tips. Hopefully we have provided you with enough information to not only give you a solid background, but also further spark your interest for becoming an expert in it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.